Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Bagwala, Borsar. Today I am giving you session of Standard 3rd subject English. You will think, first of all you will see on the blackboard, then you will definitely think chapter 3 enormous study, so it's already finished. But as I told you that nowadays we are going with the poems from chapter 1 to chapter 5. Those all chapters have different poems. Okay, so now it's time for third poem, Little by Little. Okay, Little by Little. So in this poem, I will explain you the story of acorn seeds or fruit. Okay, you will think that what is acorn? We don't know. So acorn seeds and acorn fruits are related with oak tree. O-A-K, oak tree. Okay, it's growing on the oak tree. So how they are growing? Okay, who likes to eat acorns? So these all the explanations I will explain you with the colorful slides. So get ready for the colorful slides.
Ready children to learn this poem? Okay, what is the name of this poem? Little by Little. Now first of all, I will read and sing this poem, and simultaneously you will also repeat after me. Okay children, so let's get started. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root, up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. You can see this poem. See, first of all, small plant. Then you can see acorn, like small baby. And then after, a big oak tree with the lots of acorn. Okay children, so now let's get ready for the explanation with the colorful pictures. Now first of all children, what you have to learn? What is acorn? Okay, first of all you will think, what is acorn? Why ma'am is speaking acorn, but what is acorn? So you can see here the picture of acorn. Okay, acorn is a fruit. Acorn is a fruit and it grows on oak tree. O-A-K, oak tree. Okay, so this is the fruit of oak tree and that is called acorn. You can see the picture, acorn. Okay, and you know children, squirrels. You saw the children? You saw na? Squirrel. Those squirrels like this acorn very much. They like to eat this acorn fruit so much, and they are moving on the tree and they are eating this acorn. Now this poem, acorn is saying, okay, acorn is singing this poem and saying its reality, how it is growing day by day. So this is the poem of this acorn. What is acorn? The small nut of the oak tree is called acorn. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. First of all, the acorn is saying, I am growing little by little. But first of all, when it falls from the tree, from the oak tree, it is falling down on the bed, mossy bed. You know what is mossy bed? Mossy bed is a small grass and wet place on the ground, and there are little grass, very small like soft grass, that is called mossy bed. So they are falling down on the mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Sometimes what happened? They are falling down, and then that mossy bed took it inside. And every day they are improving. The acorn is improving day by day, and it's going deep in the earth. When it's fall down, it's become hidden. They hide themselves inside the earth. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. What happened, children? Little by little means every day. Every day they are growing little by little. And then what happened? What they are sipped means what they are sipping, what they are drinking. Sipping means little drinking. So what they are sipping? They are sipping dew. Dew means small water drops, okay, on the mossy bed, on the grass, on the ground. So they are drinking that dew and growing little by little. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Now what happened, children? Their roots, okay, their roots from the ground. Which kind of root? Thread. Very thin, okay, very thin roots are there. So they are growing downward in the ground. Up in the air, what happens? Tiny shoot means from the tree, tiny shoots are coming out. Tiny little branches coming out. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear. What happened then? Day by day, every day, and year by year, every year. What happened? Little by little the leaves appear. Leaves are coming on the branches. That shoot become big branches, long branches, and then leaves are appear on their branches. And the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Now what happened? Big branches are coming. Slender branches means which kind of shape they are taking? Branches have no shapes, long, short, like that way. So many branches, different slender here and there branches are there, and they spread. Okay, they branches are spread, and far and wide means long, far, like that way. Big long branches are there. It becomes wide, going very long and wide. Till the mighty oak is the forest bride means till the branches are going far and wide, till this oak tree becomes forest pride means then after that become a very big tree of oak tree, and then it will become a forest pride. Okay, now here you will see some rhyming words also. So simultaneously with explanation I will tell you this rhyming words also. Okay children, so get ready for that also. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. You can see side, SAID said, BED bed. White color words. Okay, these both are rhyming words of this poem. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Here day away. Okay, in these 4 lines, said, bed, day, away. These are rhyming words. I am improving day every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Here again, grew, dew, grew, dew. With the yellow color, you can see the words grew, dew. Okay? Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Here see, R-O-O-T, root, S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Root, shoot, root, shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear. Year, appear. Year, appear. Y-E-A-R, year. A-P-P-E-A-R, appear. In the blue color words, you can see, children? Okay. Now see, what is the question here? What are the things a plant need to grow? You can see a small plant. So which things a plant require to grow? Okay, so let's learn from this new slide. What are the things a plant need to grow? You can see the picture. Okay, first of all you can see rain, then sunlight, air, fertilizers, water and soil. You can see this all things required to plant. Okay, all things require plants to grow. Plants need to grow. Okay, so these all things plant require. What are the things a plant need to grow? You can see the line: sunlight, water, soil, air, nutrients. You can see, children, these both children are planting a small plant. Okay. What we get from the plants and trees? Now you can see here. What we are getting? Fresh air to breathe. Right? We are breathing with the fresh air. Who gives us? Plants. Fruits and vegetables. Whatever we are eating, fruits and vegetables. Who gives us? Plants. Shelter to birds. Birds are making their nest on the trees. Right? So giving shelter to birds also. Shelter to animals. You can see two monkeys, right? They are also sitting on the branch of the tree. So shelter to animals also. Animals are also living on the tree. Food to animals. Whatever animals are eating, herbivorous animals are eating plants and leaves and all. So who are giving? Trees and plants. Trees also gives us paper to make books and copies. We have to be thankful to the trees. See, they are giving us paper. Okay, whatever you are writing on your work on in your notebook, who are giving? Trees are giving paper, and then we are making books and all, and then you are studying, right? So trees are very useful for students also. You can see one student is writing on the paper, but who give that paper? Of course, tree. Did you know 17 trees? How many? 17 trees make 1 ton of paper. So save paper and save trees. We are spoiling sometimes so many papers. We are wasting. We are tearing from our books. Right? We are writing badly sometimes at the backside in your books. Right? Sometimes students, you are doing like that way. At the backside of your notebook, you are writing whatever you want to do. Okay, whatever you want to write, whatever you want to draw. So you are wasting your pages. So don't waste your page, because 17 trees make 1 ton of paper. So many trees we are spoiling to make papers. Just think about it. So always save the papers and always save the trees. Save paper, save trees. See, very good picture, right? If you want to draw when you will get free time, so definitely you will draw this picture in our English notebook. Okay, and color it like this way, green and blue color. Okay, See, the earth is so happy. This circle is our earth, and earth is keeping tree on its head. You can see. So it's so necessary. It is so important for our earth. Trees are so important. You can see, right? So you will draw this picture, children, and color it. Okay? You will get enjoy. Now learn some opposite words. First of all, downward. So the opposite of downward, upward. DOWNWARD, downward. Opposite, UPWARD, upward. SLOWLY, slowly. FAST, fast. LITTLE, little. BIG, big. SLENDER, slender. FAT, fat. Slender means thin. I explained you thin branches, small, those. Mighty, MIGHT, by mighty. WEAK, wick. DAY, day. NIGHT, night. So in our worksheet, you will get this opposite words, but right now learn from this video also. I hope you enjoyed, okay, this poem. Okay, children. So you can see in this picture also so many oak, right? So many oak trees. Which fruit? What I told you? Yes, acorn. So many acorn seeds fall down on the mossy bed of on the ground. You can see small grass and wet grass, wet soil, wet ground. On that wet ground, so many acorn fall down. You can see, and squirrels like to eat this acorn. And you can see the oak trees also backside. So many oak trees. Okay, children, learn it carefully. And this is little bit difficult, but when you will learn with the pictures and you will try to learn it twice and thrice, definitely you will get interest and you will learn it easily. Okay, children?
Now children, enjoy the video. I know definitely you will enjoy the video with the colorful pictures. So simultaneously you should also read and sing. Okay, and you have to understand the poem. If you can't understand the poem, my explanation, so again and again you should revise it. Now get ready for the hard words. Okay, some words are there in the poem, so you should be familiar with them. So first of all, let's see the hard words. You have to speak simultaneously with me. These are the hard words. Okay. The first one is acorn. ACORN, acorn. ACORN, acorn. SANK, sand. SANK, sand. MOSSY, mossy. MOSSY, mossy. IMPROVING, improving. IMPROVING, improving. HIDDEN, hidden. HIDDEN, hidden. SIPPED, sift. SIPPED, sift. DOWNWARD, downward. DOWNWARD, downward. THREAD, thread. THREAD, thread. SPRANG, sprang. SPRANG, sprang. TINY, tiny. TINY, tiny. APPEAR, appear. APPEAR, appear. SLENDER, slender. SLENDER, slender. SPREAD, spread. SPREAD, spread. MIGHTY, mighty. MIGHTY, mighty. OAK, oak. OAK, by heart these all. In my next video, I will explain you remain exercise. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind.